Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day, Prime Day 2018. Of course you are, Amazon. Of course. These are all the items that came today, but tomorrow I have more items. Of course, everything is going to be all in one video, so I'm going to wait tomorrow. I'm zooming all the way out right now, but with this lens, you guys are going to see more. Alright, I'm about to switch into the lens in 3, 2, 1. Voila. There you guys have it. So now you guys can see more of the background. Wow, this is actually pretty good. I don't really think this is good for tech videos just because if I want to zoom in very, very closely, I can't do that. This is the farthest it can zoom. Alright, so let's switch into the Nifty 50. That's what they call it, the Nifty 50. And yeah. I'm liking the wide angle though. I'm a fan of it. So yeah, let's go. Now here's the 50mm lens. Now this is not good for video. You don't even have a stabilizer. This is really just for taking pictures. Maybe I might throw some portraits, but look, I can't zoom at all. This is it. So it's very, very close. Maybe if I'm taking some nice close-up shots like this, it'll be beautiful. It works out really, really nice if you want to have the product standing out. This is the 18mm, so you guys can see I'm pretty close up. This is normal, but if I zoom it out, this is the wide angle lens. I gotta work on that ISO, but once I get that ISO to work, it's game over. This is the wide side, the standard side, wide side. See, look, with the wide, you can see the car next to me, like right here. Just to show you guys how much of an example and how important this wide angle is. You can see the car right next to me. So this is good. This is excellent for portrait shots. We have a tripod. This is a YouTube essential. You guys know what a tripod is. Something to stand up the camera. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes my Prime Day 2018 unboxing video. I could tell I'm going to have a lot of fun editing this one. As you guys can see, a bunch of boxes in the background, and by far my favorite item has to be this wide angle lens that you guys are seeing right now. Currently, right now is wide angle mode, and if I zoom in, this is how it would normally be. So you guys can see more of the background. You guys can see my little desk here with my play button. Yeah, the junk on the background, but I'm gonna clean everything up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new around here for more videos, jailbreak, iPhone, Apple, anything. I think my second favorite item has to be I don't know, I haven't really brought any items for me. I brought a lot of items for family. My brother wanted this weight, and you know, I'm doing the 30-day workout challenge, so this will work out for me too. I brought my mom the case. I brought myself this tripod. So a lot of this stuff is for the videos and for family. And that's it. Let me zoom in. So alright guys, I'm out. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.